how to insert PDF into Microsoft Word document. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So do you want to insert your PDF and convert it into a Word document? Then you're in the right place. I'll show you how to do it in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. You need to open up your Microsoft Word, and then you need to go to the file option in the top left. Now you need to head over to open in the left hand side. Choose the PDF that you want to insert, hit on open. And there you go. The PDF has been inserted. Now you just need to tap on enable editing and you can edit it according to your choice. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.